Hi everyone! In today's Grammar Shorts video, I'm going to explain the difference between so and so that. These words are commonly confused, but the meaning is different and therefore it can cause confusion to the person who is listening. The word so is a coordinating conjunction, and if you're familiar with those conjunctions, you know that that includes and, but, and or. A coordinating conjunction joins two independent clauses like this, and we put the conjunction in the middle with a comma. And we use a comma when we have a subject and verb, and then a subject and verb in both clauses. The word so shows a result or an effect. So it's important to remember that. We always use so when we want to show what happened next as a result of something else. So I always tell my students to remember that so is going to show what comes next or what happened next, and that the two clauses usually show a cause and effect relationship. So is going to indicate the result or the effect, and it has the same meaning as therefore. However, so that is a subordinating conjunction. And because it's a subordinating conjunction, it creates a dependent clause in the second part. So you can see this red line that separates so that and then the clause. That's a dependent clause and there's no comma. Just like with the words because, if, when, those also are subordinating conjunctions and they have the same grammar in the sentence. So that shows a purpose. Why do you do something? You can think that it means the same thing as in order to. Why do you do something? So again, these two words have different meanings and they show different things. One reason that they can be confusing is that often with so that, we drop the that and we just say so. Therefore, it looks like they are the same word, but they are not, especially because this one you have to use a comma before the independent clause. And because there's a comma there, you also will usually hear a short pause when the person is speaking. Let me give you two examples. I didn't sleep well last night, so I feel tired today. That shows an effect. I didn't sleep well last night. What happened next? What's the result? I feel tired today. How about this one? I have been exercising a lot lately so that I can be healthier. So that I can be healthier tells why am I exercising? What is the purpose? I have been exercising lately in order to be healthier, or so that I can be healthier. The other thing I want to mention here is that when we use so that, we are talking about a plan or a goal, something that we want to happen. Again, we're using it to describe the purpose. Why are we doing something? Because we have a plan or a goal or something that we hope will happen. So it's a kind of condition or like a hypothetical. It's often something that hasn't happened yet, but we hope it will happen. So you often will see the word can used in that one to show that you hope that you can do something. Okay, let's see some examples, and you're going to choose so or so that to fill in each sentence. Let's look at some example sentences, and you're going to choose so or so that to fill in the blanks, and after that we will add the punctuation. All of these sentences are about preparing for the TOEFL test. If you're familiar with the TOEFL test, it is a test of English language that is used by some universities for admission. The first one is, I'm taking a grammar class. I can do well on the TOEFL test. So ask yourself a question. Does this indicate an effect or a purpose? Does it show therefore or why? The next one. Yesterday I practiced speaking. My conversation skills will get better. I've been studying hard. I know I will do well on the test. Again, think, does this show an effect or does it show a purpose? Finally, there's a lot of grammar on the test. I need to focus on that. For the first one, you should have chosen so that because we want to show why am I taking a grammar class? What's the purpose? The purpose is so that I can do well on the test. And again, this indicates a plan or a goal or something that you hope will happen. This is a subordinating conjunction, so no comma. The next one, yesterday I practiced speaking. Why? So that my conversation skills will get better. Again, this indicates a plan or a goal. Next one, I've been studying hard. I know I will do well on the test. This is an effect. This is the result. I've been studying hard, therefore I know I will do well. So we're going to put a comma and so. Finally, there's a lot of grammar on the test, so I need to focus on that. Again, this is showing the effect. What's the result of this? The result is I need to focus on that. This is tricky because sometimes it seems like the meaning is the same, but you want to remember that with so that there's this kind of condition in the meaning, that it's something that you hope will happen or it's a goal or a plan, and it always answers the question, why? Remember also that you can substitute in order to for so that, and you can substitute therefore or as a result for so. So those words can also help you. I will leave a few more examples in the description box below for you to practice. If you have questions, please let me know and I will see you again soon. Please be sure to subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.